Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is on family. Traditionally, family refers to a group of people related to each other either by blood, marriage, or adoption. In a more modern definition, family can be people you are related to or people you choose to share your life with. It can also mean a group of people who love, care for, and support each other. Family is not just about blood. It's about love, connection, and belonging. Every family is special and unique. Let's start with some basic family vocabulary. Basic family members. Father or dad. He is the male parent in the family. Example: this is my father. Mother or mom. She is the female parent in the family. Example: I love my mother. Son. A son is a male child in a family. Example: they have one son. Daughter. A daughter is a female child in a family. Example: she is their daughter. Brother. A brother is a boy or man who has the same parents as you. Example: my brother is older than I am. Sister. A sister is a girl or woman who has the same parents as you. Example: I have one sister. Grandfather or grandpa. He is the father of your father or mother. Example: my grandfather tells me stories. Grandmother or grandma. She is the mother of your father or mother. Example: my grandmother cooks delicious food. Aunt. An aunt is your mother's or father's sister. Example: my aunt is very kind. Uncle. An uncle is your mother's or father's brother. Example: my uncle lives in Nairobi. Cousin. A cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle. Example: my cousins and I play together every holiday. Baby. A baby is the youngest member of a family. Example: the baby is playing. These are some of the most common family words in English. Now, let's learn some common words and terms used when talking about family. Parents. Parents are your mother and your father. Example: my parents are very supportive. Children. Children are sons and daughters. Example: they have two children, one boy and one girl. Siblings. Siblings are your brothers and sisters. Example: I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sister. Cousins. Cousins are the children of your aunt or uncle. Example: my cousins and I play together every holiday. Relatives. Relatives are people in your family who are not your parents or siblings, like your grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Example: we visit our relatives every holiday. Spouse. A spouse is a husband or wife. Example: my father's spouse is my mother. Twins. Twins are 2 children born at the same time to the same parents. Example: my cousins are twins. Stepfather. A stepfather is your mother's husband, not your biological father. Example: my stepfather helps me with homework. Stepmother. A stepmother is your father's wife, not your biological mother. Example, my stepmother makes delicious food. Step-parents. A stepmother or stepfather is a parent who joins the family after marriage. Stepbrother or stepsister. They are the children of your step-parent. Example, I have a stepsister. She is 12 years old. In-laws. In-laws are your family through marriage, like your mother-in-law, father-in-law, or sister-in-law. Example, my mother-in-law is a great cook. Single child or only child. An only child is someone who has no brothers or sisters. Example, I am an only child. Grandparents. Grandparents are your parents' parents. Example, my grandparents live in the countryside. Grandchildren. Grandchildren are the children of your son or daughter. Example, my grandparents have 3 grandchildren. Now that we know some family vocabulary, let's learn about the different types of families. Nuclear family. A nuclear family is a family group consisting of 2 parents and their children, 1 or more, typically living together in one home. Example, I live in a nuclear family with my parents and my brother. Extended family. An extended family typically consists of grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins, and sometimes great-grandparents or other relatives. These relatives live together in the same household or very close proximity, often spanning 3 or more generations. Example, my extended family visits us every weekend. Single-parent family. A single-parent family has one parent raising 1 or more children. Example, I live with my mom. We are a single-parent family. Blended family. A blended family is made when 2 families come together. For example, a stepfather, stepmother, or step-siblings. The structure combines 2 separate family units into one new one. Typically, a blended family is created when a couple marries or cohabits, and one or both adults bring children from a previous marriage or relationship into the new home. Parents. A couple who marries or cohabits. Step-parent. The spouse or partner of the biological parent. Biological or adopted children. The children of one or both parents from a previous relationship. Step-siblings. The children of the new spouse or partner, who are not biologically related to you. Half-siblings. Children born to the new couple. Example, my dad got married again, so now I have a step-sister. Adoptive or chosen family. An adoptive family is a family that includes 1 or more children who have been legally and permanently placed with parents who are not their biological parents. The foundation of the family is based on a conscious, loving choice and a legal commitment, not a biological connection. Example, my parents adopted my sister. We are one happy family. A couple. A couple has people who are married or in a relationship. Sometimes a couple does not have children, and that is still a family. They may choose to have pets or enjoy life together as a family of 2. Example, my aunt and uncle are a child-free family. They have 2 dogs. Families can look different around the world. They come in many shapes and sizes. Some are big and some are small. But all families are special. What makes a family special is the love and support they share. Now that you know the types of families, let's practice using our new words in a conversation. Listen carefully and repeat these conversations for practice.
Talking about family members.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I live with my parents and 2 brothers.
That's nice. Do you have any sisters?
No, I don't. Just 2 brothers.
Talking about grandparents and cousins.
Do your grandparents live with you? No, they live in another town. Do you visit them often? Yes, I visit them every holiday with my cousins.
Describing a family type.
Tell me about your family.
I live in a nuclear family.
Who is in your family?
My mom, my dad, my sister, and I.
Single-parent family.
Who do you live with?
I live with my mom.
So you are from a single-parent family?
Yes, it's just the 2 of us and our cat.
Talking about love and support.
What do you love most about your family?
My family always supports me.
That's wonderful. Family is love.
Yes, family means love, care, and happiness.
Great job! Now you can talk about your own family in English. Remember, every family is special in its own way. Now it's time for a fun family quiz. Let's see how much you remember from today's lesson. Who is your mother's mother? That's right, your grandmother. What do we call our brother or sister? Correct, they are our siblings. What type of family has parents and their children living together? Yes, a nuclear family. Who are the children of your uncles or aunts? Exactly, your cousins. What type of family has one parent raising children? Good job, a single-parent family. Who are the children of your son or daughter? That's right, your grandchildren. True or false? Families can only be made up of people related by blood. False. Families can also be made up of people who love and care for each other. Great job! Remember, family means love, support, and belonging. Now that you know family vocabulary, practice talking about your own family in English. Try answering these questions. What type of family do you have? Who are the members of your family? How can you describe your family? Try answering out loud or writing your answers. Great! Talking about your family is a fun way to use English every day. Well done! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons.